Let's look at the controller mode to operate multiple speakers as a single audio system. Please go to the Environment Setting, Device Operation Setting menu, and set Operation Mode to Controller. Afterward, please refresh the page, then it shows a new menu. First, register a device in the System Setting, Device Registration menu. Devices on the same network will be discovered in the Device Search list. Select the devices and go to the Registered Device to add them. When the device is registered, click the Apply. Next, register a speaker as a sound source. Please go to the System Setting, Source Registration, and click the Source Registration tab. And select speakers in the IP address list. And input the priority, source name, and source type between BGM and TTS. Please check the control when the speaker is being used as a source device in the button mode. But to use the speaker as a sound source of Annual Scheduler, the control should be unchecked. For the control IP, select the same IP of the registered device, and for the control type, select the file player for the BGM file, or the TTS player for the TTS. You can change the icon and its color in the Icon menu. When all devices are registered, then click the Apply button. You can register a microphone as a sound source in the RM Registration tab. Select a microphone in the IP address list, and input the priority and source name. And you can also change the icon and its color in the Icon menu. Once the registration is done, then click the Apply button. Then deploy the registered speakers in the Zone menu. Please go to the System Setting, Zone Registration, and input the zone name, and select speakers in the IP address list. Once the zone registration is done, then click the Apply button. Lastly, you can group multiple zones. Please go to the System Setting, Group Setting, and create a group, and select zones. And input the group name and finish the group registration. For more details, please refer to the manual. Thanks for watching.